Hi, this video is the RF hair transplant restoration surgery result for 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. This client had around 12 or 1300 grafts by the FUE method, and he's just to lower his hairline, re-establish his hairline, recreate his hairline, and increase the density. It's 1232 to be exact, and excellent coverage. And this is what his hair looks like. Excellent density, and you can run the hair through. And I'm going to show the audience what he used to look like. Before we go that, I want to redirect the client, the audience over there. Okay, so that's how his hairline was higher, and we lower that. And again, that's what he looked like a year later. And he has a receding corner. And look at that, nice shape, excellent density. Left hand side, a receding hairline, receding corner. And look at that, he leaves his hair like Elvis. And excellent coverage, excellent density. But the important factor is hair transplant is an art form. Require lots of the artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a natural result. And you see how we did that. And just to show the audience what they look like now. Okay, now focus in the middle. Perfect. And we can zoom in. And we can zoom in the hairline. That'd be great. So I'm gonna just to show the audience what it looks like. Excellent density. And hold the head back. Look at that. Maybe hold it down. That's excellent. And we're going to have him turn this way. See that excellent density, and we can comb it down. Good coverage. I love how he's wearing his hair now. You can wear any way you want in terms of style. Even the spike of his hair. Yes, excellent hair volume. Comb the hair down. As you can see, hair transplant is very natural. It's an art form, especially when you want to create the hairline. And you see how the mid eyebrow to the hairline for Asian or Caucasian. For Asian is 6.5 to 7. For Caucasian around 7.5 to 8.5. And no hairline straight, so we zigzag through. And if you zoom closely, there's a lot of baby hair in the front, follow the root for 2 hair, 3 hair, and 4 hair in the back for bulk and volume. And look at this. Angles perfectly aligned and follow and the flow. And the more narrow the face, the more archback the hairline it is. He has excellent volume, and that's the most important part. And just to show the audience what it looked like before. That's before. After. Before. Right side. Right side. Look at that. Excellent. Excellent density. Left side. Left side. Nice zigzag. No plugs. No. A lot of single hair graft. No scarring. Top view. Top view. Okay, and that's what he looks like right now. And it's by the FUE method with around 1232 grafts. Thank you.